Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Anushka Tiwari. Today we are going to discuss on Geography Chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. So what are the topics, friends? The topics are introduction. Why is introduction important? If a friend does not know you, what you'll do? You give an introduction, no? In such a way similar to it if you don't know the chapter, so the chapter is giving an introduction of itself. Then will come interior of the earth. In that there are three subtopics: crust, mantle and core. Then the third topic is rocks and minerals. In rocks the four subtopics are igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and rock cycle. Don't worry, I have not forgotten intrusive and extrusive rock. In igneous rocks, inside igneous rocks, the subtopics for them are intrusive and extrusive. So, friend, next let's come to the introduction part. So we came to the introduction part. What is our Earth is our homeland, no? And it is a dynamic planet. Dynamic planet meaning the constant changes happening inside and outside of our Earth. Okay, and this Earth is also like a onion. It has several concentric layers. If I'm right, no? It has several concentric layers, but the three major layers are crust, matter, and core. Okay. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometer. So what is radius? The way we measure the square with length. We measure the rectangle with length and breadth. In the same way, we measure a circle in radius. Okay, so let's come for do you know part. So do you know the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. Where is this do you know part? It is in a blue color box, right hand side. Okay, in the first page of the what? The chapter. Okay, so the deepest mine is about 4 kilometers, and the engineers were digging about 6 kilometers in search of oil. Okay, to reach the center of the earth, which is not possible yet, we have to dig 6,000 kilometers from ocean floor. Okay, meaning it has not set the continental mass. It can, for continental mass, it can be 30 kilometers extra maybe, or something like that. Okay, because ocean floor, the depth of ocean floor is 5 kilometers, and the depth of continental mass is 35 kilometers. So something like that it would be. Okay, so let's come to the first topic of our lesson: interior of the earth. So the first subtopic is crust. What is crust? The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. Okay, it is the thinnest layer from the all layers. The continental mass is about 35 kilometers, which I said, and the ocean floors are about 5 kilometers. Okay, the constituent minerals, the main minerals on continental mass are silica and alumina. So if the question comes, name the main mineral constituents of the continental mass, we'll write silica and alumina. But if it says if it says what are the minerals, what is the mineral present in continental Mars, that time we'll say Cr. So both the questions are different, but the answer is same. But how? The Cr. The word Cr is nothing but C, silica, or alumina. You can write in the bracket for this for the question of Cr. The same question will come for the same question can come for oceanic crust also, which has silica and magnesium. Okay, therefore it is called as SEMA. So the crust forms only 0.5%. Okay, I'll show you a picture in that it has shown that it is the thinnest layer. Okay, I'll show you the picture. So this is alumina, this is silica, and this is magnesium. Okay. So let's come to the next subtopic. So the next subtopic is mantle. Mantle is just beneath the earth. See, the crust is here, just beneath it, the mantle. Okay, and just beneath the mantle, core. So the mantle has what is present in mantle? What is present in mantle? So in mantle, molten magma is present. What is present in mantle? Molten magma is present. Okay. What is the depth of mantle? What is the depth of mantle? The depth of mantle is 2,900 kilometer. If I'm not correct, please comment in the comment box. Okay, but then I'm sure of it that I am pakka correct. Okay, so the next subtopic is core. The next subtopic is core. So the innermost layer, we saw the picture. The innermost layer is the core, and its radius is 3,500 kilometers. 3,500 kilometers. Okay. What are the minerals present? The minerals present in that is nickel and ferrous. The nickel and ferrous. Ferrous normal name is called iron. See, I'll show you. See, nickel and iron. Now you'll say this Fe. Fe is not from iron, but Fe is the scientific or geographical term for iron. Okay. Okay, it has very high temperature and pressure, and the volume of it is 83%. Okay, and the volume for mantle is 16%. The volume for crust is 0.5%. Okay, so what we came across a new word called volume. So what is volume? Volume, I'll explain you. I'll say that if this is a room, okay, this much my table has covered, so I'll say, so this is a 3D object, so how can the definition be? The definition will be any 3D object that covers a area is known as yeah, volume. Okay, so let's come to the second topic, rocks. So any natural mass which is made up of mineral matter and which makes up Earth's crust is known as rock. So rocks can be of different colors, size, and texture. Okay, the three major rocks are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The igneous word is a Latin word which is ignis, meaning fire. Sedimentary is also a Latin word known as sedimentum, which means settled down, and metamorphic is a Greek word which is known as metamorphos, meaning change of form. Okay, so let's proceed. This is a picture of rocks. This is a picture of rock. So now let's proceed to the types of rocks. Okay, so the types of rocks. The first type of rock is igneous rock. The first type of rock is igneous rock. So in igneous rock, what happens? The molten magma cools down and becomes solid. This type of formation of rock is known as igneous rock. They are also called as primary rocks. It has two types, intrusive and extrusive. Okay. So what are the two types of igneous rock? Intrusive and extrusive. Okay. So let's come to the intrusive rock. How is intrusive rock made? Let's see. So the intrusive rock, igneous rock, first when the molten magma does not get pressure, it goes up till the crust part, but then gets stuck over there. As there was not that much pressure compared to extrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rock have more pressure and goes till the volcano eruption happens and ashes and lava comes down. It rapidly cools down and it becomes extrusive igneous rock. See, with the name extrusive, the letters EXX means out and intrusive means in. Okay, the IN in. Okay, yeah, no. So the intrusive rocks slowly cool down and the extrusive rock rapidly cools down. This is the first difference. And the second difference is the intrusive rocks are made inside and extrusive rocks are made outside. Okay. So the examples for intrusive rocks are, so the best example for intrusive rock is granite and for extrusive rock basalt. Okay. So now let's come to the next topic of types of rocks. Okay. So types of rocks. The second one is sedimentary rock. The sediments, how sediments form? When the rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments, these particles are known as sediments. Okay, these are transported by and deposited by rainwater, etc. The loose sediments are now compressed and hardened, and one new layer on the sediments is formed. This is how sedimentary rocks are formed. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone. They also contain fossils of plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. Water fossils. Fossils are the remains of the dead plants and animals, or you can say microorganisms, which are trapped in the layers of rocks. Okay. So friends, let's come to the next topic. So friends, let's come to the next topic. See, these are the fossils of fish, dinosaurs, and this is the sandstone rock. Okay, so the last type of rock is metamorphic rock. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are heated and pressured in under great heat and pressure. When these igneous and sedimentary rocks are under great heat and pressure, they melt and they become magma. These magma solidifies and become metamorphic. The examples for metamorphic rocks are clay, which changes into slate, limestone, which changes into marble. Okay? Now let's come to the next topic. See, this is how the clay is transported to slate and limestone is transported to marble. Okay. Uses of rocks. In uses of rocks, see, this is white marble. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble, and marble is a metamorphic. Limestone to marble, metamorphic. You know, and red fort, sandstone. So sandstone is a sedimentary rock. Okay, this road is made up of stone. This road is made up of granite. Okay, so it is a igneous rock. Okay, now let's come to rock cycle. Okay, let's come to rock cycle. So rocks also change in certain condition in a cyclic manner. Okay, this process of transformation of the rock in the form of another rock is known as rock cycle. So let's understand it by an picture. So this magma, when it solidifies, it becomes igneous rock. Some of its parts melts by heating and under great heat and pressure. Then it also becomes sediments as it roll down, cracks and all. It become these sediments get a layer and become sedimentary rock. These sedimentary rock also roll down, crack, hit each other and become sediments, and this igneous rock and sedimentary rock because metamorphic rock in under great heat and pressure, and at the last it becomes the metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure, it becomes again magma. This is the process it goes. Okay, so let's come to the next topic, minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals are the naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition, and minerals are really important for humankind. If there is no coal, meaning there are no proper roads, right? If there is no petroleum, we cannot ride scooter, car, etc. Then iron, aluminium, gold, uranium. These are also one type of minerals. Minerals are used in medicine, fertilizers, etc. Okay. So some of the examples of minerals are asbestos, canthite, cinnabar, stibnite, galena, torbernite, hutchinsonite, or piment. Okay, these are some of the examples for minerals. Now guys, we are at the end of the session. Thank you friends. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and and really don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, comment that if you want that I have to discuss and teach you by a book, by the help of a book. Okay, by the help of a book. Please comment it and say if it was good or bad. Thank you, friends.